Okay, let's see how to simulate the birth process using Google Sheets. First, we set parameters here. Let's make it bigger. The first parameter we need is delta t. Let's say 0.1. That is the time step. And the next parameter we need is lambda, that is birth rate. Let's say it's 0.01. Okay, and let's set a sequence. Sequence 1001, and time is sequence minus 1 times delta t, that is B2. And autofill. And next one, we need the population size. We start from let's start from 10. Okay, and next one we need is probability of birth. And that depends on the population size. And for this, we need 1 minus exponential of birth rate, that's B3, and times delta t times the previous population size, so E2. So there is one birth with this probability at this time step. Okay, increment, whether to increment or not, is dependent on a random variable. So rand generates a random number between 0 and 1. If this is less than this birth rate, birth probability, then we increment by 1. Otherwise, the population doesn't change. Okay, and this population size, this step, is the sum of the previous population size plus the increment. Okay, so let's copy this to all the way to 1000. Okay, maybe we can increase birth rate a little bit. Okay, so this is it. So let's plot it. X-axis should be time, and the y-axis should be the population size. So this is a sample path of a birth process. Let's make it a little bit smaller. Then we have this 0.01. It looks like this. So every time we edit this file, we get a different sample path, like this. Okay, that's it.